Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your recommendations and suggestions on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YouTube application on your device. And once it is opened up, you might need to log into your account if you haven't done so already using your Google account. After logging into your account, in order to reset your recommendations, go ahead and tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. Now from the account icon, tap on the gear icon at the top right. From this page, you will need to tap on your data in YouTube to end up in your settings page. Now from the settings page, scroll down and you will find your YouTube watch history. Tap on this button and you will find the option to delete your watch history. Go ahead and tap on the delete button and tap on delete all time in order to remove your entire YouTube watch history. Now after this process is completed, go back and then from your data page, scroll further down and within YouTube search history, tap on the option as well. From the search history option, scroll down once again and tap on manage history. Now from this manage history page, you can also tap on the delete button and tap on delete all time. And from the confirmation button, once you tap on the delete button, all of your YouTube search history and watch history will be clear, which means that your YouTube account doesn't have any more data to base upon in order to provide you recommendations and suggestions. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your recommendations and suggestions on YouTube. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.